Hi friends, this is Real Fitness, your fitness guru, and today we are going to start with the day 2, which is the chest. Already we finished with the shoulder workout, so hope you follow all these steps and instructions which is I given you, and hope you can feel the muscle which is how it's going to be react. So let's go for the day 2 with the chest workout. So friends, today we are doing chest press. So last time जैसे हमने सारी जो वर्कआउट है ओवरऑल हम लोग का जो प्लान है हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितना हो सके डंबल्स पे सारे मसल्स कर सके, क्योंकि why dumbbells? Because the dumbbells they perform individually. So because of that, like your muscle also build individually. Because some like कोई बंदे लोग होते हैं जो लेफ्टी होते हैं या फिर राइटी होते हैं. So if you are righty, so your right is becomes stronger than your left. So you know the size also becomes small and bigger like this. मतलब biceps जो होता है, जो arms जो right वाला बड़ा होता है और left वाला थोड़ा छोटा होता है. Same it's like chest on shoulder and legs, सब जगह पे ये apply होता है. So that's why I'll suggest you better go with the dumbbell workouts. So this series which is we are going through with the dumbbells, so we'll do all muscles with the dumbbell. We are not going to touch any rod or any machine. So we'll try and follow more and more dumbbells because they develop individually and they perform individually. So let's start with the chest press. Okay. So the first variation, definitely again we are going to do the sixth variation. So the first variation which is chest press. So lie down on the bench, lie down properly, rest your head properly, yeah, and keep your feet on bench, rest, yeah. Your low body has to be very resting mode. Keep your hand on your shoulder line, which is we said like chest on chest, and pressing down just box, which is 90 degree, and chin up. Yes, and just when you're raising up, so lift your shoulder up and try and round your back, so you'll get a full flex on your upper chest. So you know what, like will hit on your primary and your secondary muscle too. So in this case, we are working on your mid chest. So he's feeling exact on the mid chest, but when you're pressing down, he's hitting on the mid chest, but going up, he's hitting on upper chest too, which is the secondary muscle. Okay, so let's switch to the second variation. Okay, so the second variation is a neutral grip. Same press first, which is we did the prone grip. Now second is a neutral grip. So it's going to start with a neutral grip and pressing up, coming up again, rounding back. Yes, and naturally when you're going down, your back becomes square. Coming up, you have to consciously, you have to round your back so you get a full flex. Yeah. But again, try and maintain your box the 90 degree. Perpendicular, your forearms has to be perpendicular to the floor. Your arms parallel to the floor. And keep your wrists flexed. Alright, so we finished with the second variation. So let's switch to the third variation now. Okay, so the third one, which is has to be the incline. The incline has to be okay, so the incline has to be 45 to 90 degree. So it's depend on the person to person. So just it's depend like if you're ectomorph, endomorph or mesomorph. So as per that you have to fix your incline bench. So we fixed it accordingly the person. So let's start with the incline press. So again your incline bench and going with the press, but your body is bit slanted, so you have to manage your stack and again press down, coming up, extend your shoulder. This exactly. Feet wider than shoulder, rest on ground, fix it on ground, chin up, and focus on your primary muscle. But coming down, you have to stop on your shoulder line. That's it. Got it? Don't go beyond that. If you go beyond that, probably you'll get a stretch marks. It means you're going out of your form. So be on your form. And range. Range of motion is very important. Okay, so stop. So we are going to switch to the fourth variation, which is again the incline neutral press. So you change with the neutral press, going down, coming down. Yes. Again, the 90 degree, the box coming up, chin up. Your round has to be, your back has to be round when you're coming up. Alright. Very well. Good. Perfect. So let's switch to the fifth variation, which is the incline fly. So lie down on the incline position. This is for your deficiency, which is for your chest. So coming up with a neutral grip and going with the fly, neutral grip. And going with the fly. Yes. Keep your wrist flexed. Come straight, go straight. Yes. And control your stack, don't bang your dumbbells. Just going down, slow down, coming up, slow up. Yes. Good. Alright, this is your fifth variation. Okay, get up now. So we are switching your decline, pull over now. Take off 15 dumbbell. The single dumbbell, which is the grip has to be a neutral grip. Hold a single dumbbell. Lock your legs. Lock your body. Lie down and elbow close. Go with the pull over. In pullover, there is two types of pullover, which is one for your chest and the other one for your back. So when you keep your elbow closer with your shoulder line, which is hits your chest, which is he's doing that. Yeah, elbow in and shoulder width and traveling, full range of motion, which is still your shoulder line coming up, going down, crossing your head, right? So here you hit your lower chest and upper chest. Going back, you feel your lower, coming up, you feel your upper chest. Okay, get up. Good, very good. So these are the 6 variations for your chest, but which is I was about to tell you, which is for the pullover. There's 2 types of pullover. One for your chest and second for your back. The back, like whenever you keep your elbow outwards. So and going the pullover for full range of motion, which is hits your lat muscle for your back. And when you're keeping your elbow closer with the shoulder line and you're going back, which is hits your upper chest and lower chest. So these are the 6 variations. Hope you understood the form of the chest workout. So friends and family, आज हमने chest workout किया है day 2. So chest workout में हमने 6 वेरिएशन करे और जैसे मैंने कहा था कि हम आज मतलब ये सीरीज़ ही पूरा एक्चुअली डंबल्स का होगा, ताकि अगर आपका कोई भी राइटी या फिर लेफ्टी जिसका कुछ तो एक राइट हैंड में या लेफ्ट हैंड में कुछ भी डेफिशिएंसी होगा तो वो रिकवर हो जाएगा. और एक्चुअली 99% लोगों के पास रॉड मशीन्स ये सारी इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं होती है, तो ओवरऑल वो लोग घर पे या फिर अपने ऑफिस में या कोई कहीं भी अपने टेरेस पे वो लोग एक पेयर ऑफ डंबल से ये सारा वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं. इतना है कि अकॉर्डिंगली द मसल दे नीड टू चेंज स्टैक. चेंज मतलब उसका वजन जो होगा वो कम ज़्यादा होगा. सो दे हैव टू increase the weight accordingly the muscle, which is like if you're working on your back, so you need a heavy weight, and if you are working on your chest, so you have to reduce the weight. If you're doing for the small muscle, which is for the biceps or triceps, you have to be very less stack. मतलब कम वाला वजन से आप बाइसेप्स और ट्राइसेप्स पर जो छोटे मसल्स कर सकते हो. सो ये हमारा चेस्ट वर्कआउट का जो आज का जो ये था डे 2 तो हमने जो 6 वेरिएशन करे थे उसका रिकैप कर लेते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट वेरिएशन था चेस्ट प्रेस, जो फ्लैट बेंच पे या फिर आप फ्लोर पे भी कर सकते हो इस चीज़ को. ऑन फ्लोर मतलब एक तो मैट डाल दीजिए या फिर कोई भी ऊंची वाला या फिर बेड पे आप लेट सकते हो, लेकिन आपके लेग्स रेस्टिंग मोड में होने चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट होता है चेस्ट प्रेस विच इज़ द प्रोन ग्रिप, और सेकेंड होता है द न्यूट्रल प्रेस विच इज़ वी डिड द प्रेस. तो वही सेम जो हमने जो न्यूट्रल प्रेस किया है उसके जैसा ही हमने प्रोन ग्रिप वाला प्रेस भी किया है. सो दो जो होते हैं फ्लैट प्रेस में वो होते हैं एक प्रोन ग्रिप और एक होता है न्यूट्रल ग्रिप. ये दोनों प्रेस होते हैं. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग ने इंक्लाइन करा और उसमें भी सेम हमने एक प्रोन प्रेस किया और न्यूट्रल प्रेस किया. फिर हम लोगों ने डिक्लाइन किया. अगर आपके पास अगर बेंच हो अवेलेबल तो उसके बाद फॉलो कर सकते हो, या फिर आप स्टेपर के साथ भी कर सकते हो इस चीज़ को, या फिर आप फ्लैट भी कर सकते हो. सो डिक्लाइन में हमने एक फ्लाई करा है, तो वो आप चाहे तो फ्लोर पे फ्लाई भी कर सकते हो. एंड फिर हम लोगों ने पुल ओवर करा है विच इज़ द 6th वेरिएशन विच इज़ सिंगल डंबल. तो पुल ओवर में भी मैंने जैसे बोला था आपको 2 वेरिएशन होते हैं. एक होता है चेस्ट के लिए पुल ओवर और एक होता है बैक के लिए पुल ओवर. सो जब भी आप चेस्ट करते हो तो आपका एल्बो नज़दीक होना चाहिए और चेस्ट शोल्डर लाइन मूवमेंट उसको चलना होता है. दैट इज़ द रेंज ऑफ मोशन एक्चुअली. लेकिन सिर्फ शोल्डर मूवमेंट होना चाहिए, ना कि एल्बो या रीस मूवमेंट. और जब आप बैक करते हो तो आपका एल्बो आउटवर्ड्स होना चाहिए. डेफिनेटली हम लोग अभी नेक्स्ट जो अपना जो डे है वो बैक डे है, तो हम लोग उसमें वो जरूर देखते हैं. सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर चेस्ट वर्कआउट. सी यू नेक्स्ट मसल. Oh guys, so like, share, subscribe and hit the button.